So today's combo, we use Copa, right turn, inside turn, outside turn, all that good stuff. So we're gonna start first with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We do a right turn with two hands. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, from here we're gonna do open break, Copa, as well as stretching and coming back together with our arms. 1, 2, 3. At least my weight should be on the left, follows on your right. Then we do inside turn. 5, 6, 7, 2, 1. Yes, I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, open break. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay? There is a thing that you guys are not doing right, which is this. 1, 2, 3, 5. From the Copa, 1, 2, 3. Your 5 is going up already. Making the follow, do this. Okay, inside turn, we gotta bring the follow forward and into us for the turn. Instead, keep the hand right there. I'll come here. Okay. Instead of lifting, this is 3, do 5. Because you're telling the follow, come back here. Okay, so don't lift the hand until 6. 5, 6, 7. At least we do a turn on 1, 2, and 3. We get out of the way. We bring the hand down first. 5 and up. Back to basic. 1, 2, 3. And 5. The second one, open break. 1, 2, 3, 5. Outside turn, cross body lead. 1. Inside, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one you have to bring up because it's outside turn. If you keep it here, you're giving the follow less momentum. If I bring it up, follow is ready to turn right away. Otherwise, it's gonna give the follow a delay. 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 from here. 1, up, 5, 6, 7, ready to turn. Yes? Instead of 1, 2, 3, and then go up. On 3 is ready. Not 3. 3 for outside turn. 5, 6, 7. Then from here, we're doing a hand toss. 1, 2, 3. Again. Right, left, right. Otra vez. Right, left, right. Thank you. And then inside turn. 1. Yes, give it up for Janilza. Otra vez. I'm gonna go. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, up. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. She did it. 5, 6, 7. Yes? Good job, good job.